many things to do at 70 years old. And what I want to do is retire. I'll give you 2 reasons to support my opinion. First, I want to travel the world because I want to go South America, Africa, Europe. It can happen because when I retire, that means I would have many money. Like I want to go more than 25 countries, and when I travel in poor country, I want to donate for poor people because my mom donates for poor. Second, I want to take composing lesson because I want to take composing lesson, but it is too expensive to buy speaker and mic. For me, my hobby is composing, so I want to make awesome music. For example, famous artists earn money, so I want to make CD and I want to sell in the village. The 2 reasons support to my opinion, and if you like my video, please give like and subscribe the channel. Thank you for listening my presentation.